Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In this video, I'll be doing the antutu benchmark comparison between the Redmi Note 9 versus the Realme 6 and Realme 6i. The reason why I'm saying Realme 6 and 6i because the Realme 6 and 6i both they do have the same kind of processor. So MediaTek Helio G90T processor, whereas Redmi Note 9 has a Helio G85 processor. So if you think there is only a difference of 5 numbers between Helio G85 and Helio G90T, then even you would be guessing that the performance should be only difference little bit, but that's not the case here right now. So that's why I need to demonstrate the antutu benchmark between both of these processors so that you can get clear idea of which processor is how much powerful and how much is the difference between both of these processors. Even though they are 5 numbers apart, but still there are huge difference between both of these processors. So if you're watching first time this channel, do subscribe to my channel Sai Tech Guru, and also to check the links in description for exactly what wallpapers I'm using for this kind of punch hole mobile phones. So always there are plenty of good information playlists in the description as well. So try to check the playlist in the below. So let's get started with the antutu benchmark comparison first. So let me try to open the antutu benchmark. So I have done already the antutu benchmark test here. So right now in the Redmi Note 9, I got the MIUI 12 update, and after the update, a little bit of performance and a little bit of battery got affected with that device. So definitely I'll keep posted regarding the Redmi Note 9's battery and performance. But right now here you can see the difference of how much difference is there between both of these antutu benchmark score. So the difference is close to 80 to 90,000 difference is there in terms of the antutu benchmark score. So that's a huge difference when you compare the process MediaTek Helio G85 versus MediaTek Helio G90T processor from the Realme 6i and Realme 6 device. So as you can see friends, so this might affect the little bit of gaming and other heavy usage performance issues as well. So if you bought the Redmi Note 9 for high-end gaming and for heavy usage, then I would highly not recommend for this mobile phone for a very long time usability. Definitely you can buy other phones which are having very good scores. I know the antutu benchmark score is not everything, but definitely you need to know how powerful the processor is before actually buying the device. So that's why it's you must know the how much capable of your device, how much score you are getting in your device as well. So that's why I decided to do this kind of comparison to make sure that if the users who knows which processor has how much ratings in terms of the antutu benchmark as well. So for more videos, to subscribe to my channel Sai Tech Guru. So thank you for watching this video. So see you in the next video. Until then, bye.